Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. First of all, subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your friends and family. Today, we are going to visit the most famous place in the world called Agra. Seriously guys, Agra is one of the favorite places of mine. There are so many amazing places to visit in Agra, like the Taj Mahal, Agra Fort, Fatehpur Sikri, Mariam Tomb, Akbar Tomb and many more. First of all, we are going to see this beautiful architecture called Taj Mahal, one of the seventh wonders of the world. Beautiful entry pathways beside the reflecting pools with fountains up to the mausoleum crafted soft and pure marble and jeweled with semi-precious stone, where in the serenity of paradise rests the queen in the peace with her king. Taj Mahal, built by Emperor Shah Jahan for his favorite wife Mumtaz. That is why it's called Mumtaz Mahal or Taj Mahal. The magical allure, the Taj Mahal, draws tourists to Agra like moths to a wondrous flame. And despite the hype, it's every bit as good as you have heard. But the Taj is not a standalone attraction. The legacy of Mughal Empire has left a magnificent fort and a liberal sprinkling of fascinating tombs and mausoleums, and there is also fun to be had in the bustling chowk or marketplace. The downside comes in the form of amazing horse rides and so many tourist guides. Agra straddles a large bank along a holy Yamuna river. The fort of the Taj are only 2 kilometers apart. The main bus and train station are few kilometers southwest. Whenever you think about visiting Agra, the first comes in your mind is this, the Taj Mahal, the symbol of love for eternity. Just look at this beautiful architecture, one of the seventh wonders of the world. A tourist guide told us that Queen Mumtaz was died during giving birth to their 14th child. The death of Mumtaz left the emperor so heartbroken that his hair said to have turned grey virtually overnight. Then, construction of Taj began the following year. It took 8 long years to complete the main building. After it was finished, Shah Jahan was overthrown by his son Aurangzeb and imprisoned in Agra fort, where for his rest of his days he could only look out at his creation through a window. 20,000 people from India and Central Asia worked on the building. Following his death in 1666, Shah Jahan was buried here alongside his beloved Mumtaz. The Taj Mahal itself stands on a raised marble platform at the northern end of the ornamental gardens, with its back to the Yamuna river. A masterstroke of design. Purely decorative 40-meter high white minarets grace each corner of the platform. The red sandstone mosque to the west is an important gathering place for Agra's Muslim. The identical building to the east, the Jawab, was built for symmetry. The central Taj structure is made of semi-translucent white marble, carved with flowers and inlaid with thousands of semi-precious stones is beautiful patterns. The real tombs of Mumtaz and Shah Jahan are in a basement room below the main chamber. The Taj Mahal is considered to be the greatest architectural achievement in the world range of Indo-Islamic architecture. The uniqueness of Taj Mahal lies in some truly remarkable innovation carried out by the holy culture planners and the architects of Shah Jahan. One such genius planning is the placing of tomb at one end of quadriptide garden rather than in the exact center, which added rich depth and perspective to the distant view of monument. The purity of white marble, the exquisite ornamentation, the precious gemstone use, and its picturesque location all makes a visit to the Taj Mahal gain a place amongst the most sought after tours in the world. However, until you know the love story behind the construction of Taj Mahal, the beauty of some would not enliven in your heart and mind, and instead you would come up as just another beautiful monument. It is the love behind this outstanding monument that has given life to this building. At the brink of dawn, when the first rays of the sun hits the dome of this epic monument, it radiates like a heavenly adobe, cloaked in bright golden. And then, at dusk, basking in the glory of moon, it shines like a perfectly carved diamond. Taj Mahal, the symbol of love, is a monument of immeasurable beauty. The beauty of this magnificent monument is such as that it is beyond the scope of words. The thoughts that come into the mind while watching the Taj Mahal of Agra is not just its phenomenal beauty, but the immense love which was the reason behind its construction. The very first sight of the Taj Mahal is epitome of love and romance, leaves the visitor mesmerized and perpetually enthralled. So guys, what are you waiting for? If you didn't visit the Taj yet, then pack your bags with your loved ones and celebrate your love in front of Taj. Okay guys, that's all for now. We will be back with our next video very soon. Till then, like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is Sammy signing off. Thank you. Bye-bye.